increase upper body strength, push-ups primarily target your chest, shoulders, and triceps, helping to build and tone those muscles. Improved core strength. Push-ups require you to engage your core muscles to maintain proper form, helping to strengthen your abs and obliques. Enhanced shoulder stability. Regular push-ups help stabilize and strengthen the muscles around your shoulder joints, reducing the risk of injuries. Tone your arms. As push-ups engage the triceps, biceps, and forearms, they help in toning and defining the muscles in your arms. Improved posture. By strengthening the muscles in your back, shoulders, and core, push-ups can help improve your posture and prevent slouching. Increased bone density. Push-ups are weight-bearing exercises and can help improve bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Boosted metabolism. Regular push-ups can increase your metabolism, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. Improved cardiovascular health. As push-ups raise your heart, they can continue to improve your cardiovascular health when performed as part of a well-rounded exercise routine. Increased flexibility. Push-ups require a certain level of flexibility in your chest, shoulders, and hip flexors. Regular practice can gradually improve your flexibility. Enhanced functional strength. Push-ups are a functional exercise, meaning they mimic movements used in daily life, such as pushing objects and getting up from the ground. Strengthen core. Push-ups target the muscle in your abdomen and lower back, helping to strengthen your core and stabilize your spine. Stress relief. Engaging in regular exercise, like push-ups, can help reduce stress and release endorphins, promoting a sense of well-being. Improve balance and coordination. Push-ups require you to engage multiple muscles groups simultaneously, which can help enhance your overall balance and coordination. Portable exercise. Push-ups can be performed anywhere as they require no equipment and very little space. Enhance muscular endurance. As you progress with push-ups, your muscles will adapt and become more resistant to fatigue, improving your overall stamina. Increase mental focus. When performing push-ups, you need to concentrate on your form and breathing, which can help improve your mental focus and mindfulness. Improve body awareness. Push-ups require you to have a good body awareness and control over your movements, helping you develop a better mind-muscle connection. Better posture. By strengthening your upper body and core muscles, push-ups can help correct imbalances and promote better posture. Boosted confidence. Regularly performing push-ups and seeing your strength and endurance improve can boost your self-confidence and self-esteem. Cost-effective. Push-ups require no equipment and can be performed at any fitness level, making them a cost-effective way to improve overall